I'm Sarah Hashim-Waris from the Los Angeles Times newsroom. Once one of the nation's most wanted fugitives, reputed mobster James Whitey Bulger arrived this week at a Boston courthouse for his racketeering trial. In opening statements, a federal prosecutor said 83-year-old Bulger was at the center of murder and mayhem in Boston for almost 30 years. In the 1970s and 80s, Bulger reportedly made millions of dollars by allegedly operating criminal enterprises and paying off authorities. Assistant U.S. Attorney Brian Kelly told jurors that Bulger also participated in 19 grisly murders, stockpiled weapons, and extorted millions of dollars in addition to overseeing bookies and drug dealers. Bulger, the reputed kingpin of the Winter Hill Gang, was on the FBI's most wanted list for more than 10 years before he was captured 2 years ago in Santa Monica. For more on the story and other headlines, visit LATimes.com and be sure to get the latest on Twitter at LATimes.
Sounds good.